Our journey today is taking us out to Lake Cressbrook, which is around about an hour and 50 minutes west-northwest of Brisbane, or around about 50 minutes just north of Toowoomba. We're actually heading off today with a plan to get there before dawn, just to see what the place looks like. But if you are headed out during the daylight hours, it is an absolutely fantastic drive. It's a great drive going out from Fernvale, along the back of Wivenhoe and Lake Somerset towards Esk, and there's plenty to see along the way as well. Once you head up to Esk and head to the west, out towards Lake Cressbrook, it's a fantastic drive out through the forest there, and really, really relaxing as well.
You don't know go from home.
G'day, Shah here once again with Four Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. This trip away, once again, we're asking the question, go or no go. We're here at Lake Cressbrook Day Use Area and Boatramp. We're going to take a bit of a look around the place here and see what it's got to offer you. Let's go check it out. These little gazebos here are just fantastic. I'd be quite happy just sitting and watching the water and relaxing. That's enough of a day out for me. Well, as you will no doubt see from the sign, there's no barbecues here at the moment, but it's a really well set out little area. You've got these great little gazebos that are here and they're overlooking the water, which is fantastic. The boat ramp here is great. Goes straight down into the water. There's no mould or moss or anything on it, so it's not slippery, so you've got great access to the water. You've also got the campsite, which we took a look at a few weeks ago, which is just over the way here, not too far away. So if you did want to come here and camp, great option to do so over there. And as with the campsite over here, there's just tons of roos everywhere here, so it's cool to just come and hang out with the roos. I think what we'll go and do now is take a bit of a look at the kids' park and the rest of the area around here. Let's go take a look. Cracking little place here. There's heaps of these little tables that are all set out beautifully overlooking the water. Great little kids play area, basketball half court, beach volleyball court. It's got it all here. Very, very cool. The setup here is a little bit sneaky. It goes from the boat ramp kind of about 400 or 500 metres up. So depending on where you sort of stop here in the park, you can kind of come down and have a look at one piece of it and sort of think that that's it. But if you go all the way up to the boat ramp, there's some little covered areas like this gazebo here that are down there. There's sort of 3 of them down there. There's another 3 up here just behind the bathrooms. There's another 3 just down over near the basketball courts and all the recreation area over there as well. So it's actually a really well set out area, and there's tons and tons of space and tons of covered space as well. So if you're looking for a little bit of privacy and a little bit of quiet, if you wanted to just come and check out the water, there's plenty of different spaces within the park here to actually do so, which is really cool.
If you're interested in utilising the area for some fishing, you can do so from your boat, or you can also fish from the water's edge, right in the day use area or over in the camping area as well. It's quite an easy process to obtain a permit, and these are available online. Fishing, boating, canoeing and sailing are all permitted on the dam, but swimming, however, is not permitted, and also dogs are not permitted on site due to the wildlife around the area.
And if you're interested as well, here at the Boatramp and day use area, there's actually a walking track here, which, as you can see by the sign here, takes around about 2.5 hours. So I think we'll go and take a bit of a look at it. Let's go check it out.
It's a relatively easy trail to follow, and is just a grassed trail. However, there's not much signage, but if you do find your way off the path, it's pretty easy to find your way back to where you were previously. There's some great views along the way, and the trail itself heads through the campgrounds here as well.
Alright, well that's going to wrap things up for us here at Lake Cressbrook day use area and Boatramp. Let me know what you think of the place in the comments down below. Is it a go or is it a no-go? Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and most importantly share the channel. I really do appreciate that. And we'll see you next time we get 4 wheels on the road.